go. Arkansas Pilgrim here again with a quick video for the drawing for the Super Clean prize pack. Had 5 people comment. Had 6 people comment, but one of them is my friend from Australia, Australian Radio Indy, and they only send to U.S. addresses. So sorry there, Jonesy. Anyway, here we got Simply Jan Homestead. We've got Living the Dream Homestead. Got Cat Without the Hat, and he said he didn't want anything, but I'm putting him in here anyway. Michael R58 and Cooking with Sherry. So, hey, let's see how this goes. Shake them up. Okay, let's see what we got here. Living the Dream Homestead. Hey guys, I'll contact you, and you'll be able to contact them directly and give them your mailing address, and they'll send you out the prize pack. Congratulations there to Jeremy and Angela. See y'all later.